What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty. My blog is thexking.com. I hit you with a cashback screencast. On my YouTube channel, I talk about making money, saving money, investing money, and how to get cash back easily on purchases and things that we buy anyway. And today is about Amazon. Amazon is one of the hardest places to get cash back from. It's one of the biggest online retailers, but it's the hardest to get cash back. So Rakuten, or it's usually called Ebates, it's one of the apps you should download to get cash back from Amazon. So far I made only 76 cents. It's not a lot of money, but you do get cash back. And this video is about Amazon, but you have other stores as well you can go through. Like I talked about Groupons as well. Groupons is through my Acorns app. I was going through Acorns to get the Groupons to get a discount, but now I go through Rakuten as well and get 6% back on stuff from Groupon, but really from Amazon. So we all pretty much, a lot of people shop at Amazon and get nothing back in return. So Rakuten is a good option, especially around this holiday seasons or whatever season this you watch this video, to get cash back on Amazon products. So let's click on Amazon and see what you get a discount on. So you get up to 5% cash back only in these categories here. And you have home and furniture, clothes, kitchen, Amazon devices. So you buy Amazon Dye, Echo, or anything Amazon. Amazon Fire Sticks, you get up to 5% cash back. Smart devices, you get 3.5% on shoes, jewelry, watches, handbags, wallets, handmade, home services, home improvement, patio, power tools. So you get cash back on a lot of stuff. So around the holiday season, birthdays, anniversaries, if you go into Amazon anyway, make sure you go through the Rakuten app. So that this app is on your laptop, computer, desktop, and your cell phone. And your cell phone will be a little bit easier to use because you click on Amazon, it'll go right into the Amazon app, and you can buy whatever. So this is not only good for Amazon, but a host of other places as well. Let's see, you got Macy's here. You got hotels. You got a lot of stuff here that you get cash back on. Ralph Lauren, coupons only, a lot of different places you get other cash back from. Sam's Club, Walmart, Rack Room Shoes. I'm gonna tell you a little story about Rack Room Shoes. Applies on Rack Room Shoes coupons, one click plus cash back. So you have to hit this button here. It will take you to Rack Room Shoes, and you get 2% cash back. Also in store as well. So you link your debit card to Rakuten, and you go to Rack Room Shoes, you get a discount as well. One tip about Rack Room Shoes during Black Friday seasons, this previous Black Friday, they usually run a deal, or they run a deal all the time, but the deal is you buy one shoe, get one half off. So you buy one shoe $100, and you get two shoes that's $100 a piece. You buy one and a half full price, $100. The second should be $50. Well, around Black Friday, they run another sale. You spend over $100, you also get $200 off your purchase. So again, you got a $200 with two pairs of shoes, each $100. One be $100. The second one's half off, plus $20 off. So a shoe that costs $100 is now $20. Well, also if you use this app here, you get an extra 2% cash back on top of that as well. So it's another way to get bonuses. And like here, they have coupon here codes, and it'll tell you when they expire. You get $10 off your purchase of $75, $10 off purchase up to more than $75, and plus you get cash back. So you get $10 off your purchase plus cash back. And Rack Room Shoes usually run a deal. You buy one, you get one half off. So you get one half off plus $10 off plus a $2 bonus as well. So I think Rack Room Shoes is also linked to the DOS app as well. So you get cash back through that as well. So Rakuten is a really good app for shipping. Shipping. I think if you spend over $65 or more, you it said enjoy free shipping, right? When total up to $65 or more. So if you spend $65, you get free shipping, and then two pair of shoes, you're gonna spend more than $65 with all the bonus and stuff like that. So check out Rakuten. I didn't use this at first. I didn't really like it until I actually got into it. But it's a good place to, especially it's a good place. So I also expressed that you should use this app for, like, when you go to get photos printed, instead of going to Walmart, which Walmart's up here, go to Walgreens and get your photos printed. You go down the Walgreens app and use Rakuten, and you hit shop now through the app. It'll take you to the Walgreens app, and you can buy your photos, upload all your photos to the app, and they'll print it off for you at Walgreens. All you do is go through and pick it up, and you're done, and you get cash back. And also, Walgreens is also linked to the Pay app I have as well, so I get cash back through Pay and cash back through Rakuten as well. And I get my photos, because everybody get photos printed out as well. So stop going to these places that you want to get cash back. Okay, I go to places that I always get a cash back from. Now, granted, I go to Walgreens now, I get a little cash back from the Pay app, not as much, but still, you want to go places and you want to build up money. This is passive income. You're not working for it. You're buying what you normally will buy and making money for. So all these places here, you get cash back. So here's Walmart here. You have to shop through Walmart and you get 10% cash back at Walmart. And then here's the cash back categories is here. It's similar to Amazon as well. So if you're going to, but they don't have food up here, which I don't like neither, because, excuse me, that would be nice if it had food. So I go ahead, order my food through Walmart. I go pick it up and I still get cash back, but they don't have food up here. It's just furniture or stuff like that. So, which is fine with me. They have a lot of stuff in here that you can always pick the stuff up anyway if you want to. So that's the end of my video. So you want to get the video, get the Rakuten. I think you get a bonus with my affiliate link. I'm not 100% sure, because I just started using it and I want to get the video out to people who wants to use it. So hey, refer a friend to earn. So use my link below and you get a bonus as well. I'm not sure how much you get, but it's not gonna hurt you at all to use it, and I get a little kickback from making the video. And also I have links below the video of all the other apps you should be using: the Dodge app, the Pay app, the Get Upside Gas app. I've recently got the Bump app, and I have a new app I'm using now that I'm gonna do a video about. And that app also has cash back app from Amazon. So I'm gonna make a massive video about that, how to merge Rakuten and the new app I got as one, so you get cash back on both and a discount through Amazon as well. So stay tuned for that. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But this app is pretty good. I'm gonna use this. My wife uses this through hers because she referred me. And yeah, this is a no-brainer. We all shop online anyway, and this is a way to get cheap stuff online. Instead of going to places that don't give you no cash back, I only shop at places I'm gonna get something back in return. So my name is Ty with theAskKing.com. Thanks for watching. Share the video, like the video, give me a thumbs up, help me out a lot. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Look at my links below the video. See you next time.